All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Episode 18 is out. I hope you guys are just as ready as I am. I'm actually okay. So in the last episode, we're back to basically having having everything we had plus what Mia had too, which is awesome. So I think we got to continue through here, find some coordinates. So we're in the lab right now. So this is what's going to happen. We're going to, oh no, wait. Oh, okay, I see. So the lab's going to continue on. We're in the lab right now, so the lab's going to continue on this way. Because this was the ship. Okay, cool. And we saw that helicopter earlier, which is crazy. So let's figure out what we want to take with us. Evelyn tissue samples. We should probably keep that with us. Machine gun ammo we'll keep with us. Psycho stims will pop as soon as we get in there. Let's figure this out. So as far as weapons what do we want? I'm gonna take I am gonna take a knife just in case, because I know that's good for what's it called? I know that's good for breaking open stuff, which is awesome. So let's figure out what knife we want to take. Do we want to take our, yeah, let's take the survival knife. The survival knife's bussin'. And then let's also take the P19. Yeah, the P19's coming with us. Let's also take the remote bombs. Those will be good. And are we doing the burner, the noob tube? Oh my gosh, we have so much to choose from. The burner I'll have to carry. Let's do the shotgun. I'm gonna do the shotgun. I think the shotgun's gonna be the move here. With no handgun, so let's get rid of the handguns. Okay, and let's go ahead and do that. The bombs, I would say, is a good idea to keep with us. Let's get these shotgun shells over here. Wait, did my shotgun shells go over there? Oh yeah, they did. Okay, awesome. And then let's also do, we got to take meds with us. Meds, super important. So let's go ahead and do that. We're going to take strong first aid. Yep, we'll take 2. And I think I had regular first aid. Yeah, we'll take that. Machine gun ammo. Yep, we'll take some machine gun ammo always. Enhanced machine gun ammo, sure. Actually, wait, is that taking up more space? Oh, this is enhanced. Okay, no, we don't want that. Oh my god, I had a lot of machine gun ammo. All right, we don't need all that machine gun ammo right now. And I'm sure this stuff will be available later on too. Let's take some corrosive. That's going to be helpful, I'm sure. The crank, the keys as well. I don't know. Worst comes to worst, we have to come back. You know what I'm saying? Let's go ahead and also make some. Let's make some regular fluid real quick too, just so we have more heals. We get rid of stuff as well. Let's see what else we got. Handgun ammo, 44 mag ammo. Do you want to take it? Nah, we don't need separating agent. Interesting. I mean, we could take the flamethrower with us just in case, but I don't. We can come back for it too. Enhanced gunpowder. Don't really need any of this stuff. I'm tempted to take the keys with me, low-key. I'm tempted to take the keys with me, so let's go ahead and transfer those over. I don't know. It may be the wrong decision, but I'm tempted to take the keys and the crank too. And I think for now that should be. Yeah, that seems right to me. That seems right to me. And we have the flamethrower and the grenade launcher in there too when we need it. But yeah, let's continue forward. I think we want to pop these psycho sims too. Yeah, let's go ahead and do that. All right, let's keep going. Okay, burner fuel. That means, Michael, take the burner with you because it's going to be important. So let's do this. Yeah, that means take the burner with you, bro. It's gonna be useful. You're gonna need it. Okay, let's transfer that back over too. Do I have any more burner fuel? Okay, no, I don't think so. All right. Yeah. That means, Michael, you're gonna need the burner. Okay, now I got psycho stims in me too. Chem fluid. Strong chem fluid. I'm nervous again. Oh my god. Wasn't there like a faster reload perk or something that I could have unlocked? But I didn't because I'm an idiot. Okay. She could have just ran past those. It's alright though, you know? It's another one. God, so many bullets to kill. Oi! Oh, there's a lot. There's hella. Okay. There's hella heads. Ooh, okay. Nah. Nah, I didn't want this. I didn't want this. I thought we were going up, not down. Oh my sus. I messed up. Okay, it's all about headshots. Here we go. I'm such an idiot. I thought my head... Guys, come on. I thought my head would... I don't have enough space for herb. Oh, let's just do this. Now I have enough space for herb, right? And then I have enough space to make more heals. Beauty. Yes, indeed. Oh, yes, indeed. Okay, so now I have to watch out for mines again. You don't know nowadays, because last time Captain Jack... Yeah, I don't know if that was the best. No way, I just killed myself. Not like this, not like this, not like this, not like this. Oh my god. Such an idiot. Such an idiot. Okay, I only have 2 more heal to full health heals. So I gotta not be a pinhead here. What is going on? I should have taken the shotgun with me, low-key. I like the shotgun for those guys. Because I feel like it does way more damage. It's alright, though. They gave me all the... Now this I hate with a passion. I'm bringing the shotgun. I'm freaking bringing the shotgun, bro. The shotgun's gonna be... Oh, I can't go get the shotgun. This is what I'm stuck with. Oh, well. Okay. Alright. Alright, can I shoot these bombs? Oh my god, I can. Oh, I remember. Okay, I have full health now. Whatever. I figured, you know, figured it would work better. Burner fuel, all right. Maybe that wasn't a good idea because I could have taken them on, because these guys down here are gonna be a little bit more wild. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, no good, buddy. Not on my watch, sir. Yeah, you can't just spawn in like that, bro. That ain't cool. I pinned myself. Have I? Yeah, I pinned myself. Goodbye. Not goodbye. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, this was not planned. I'm just taking the path that was the least obvious, I guess you could say. Yeah, okay, that works. See? I had these bombs there. Don't tell me it's another checkpoint. Thanks to you guys, it's been about a week since my head's been clear and back to normal, and she got me. You guys really need to work on fixing it. She's about as stupid as one too. Mom and dad are still today. And the whole family obsession thing you guys programmed into her, it's kind of messed up. EV La La Land in reality. It's pretty violent. I locked her up in a cell. I thought maybe Evelyn would get mad since Mia's her favorite and all. So she actually goes and visits her, so she thinks Mia's her mommy. And I guess a bioweapon is messed up. Oh, she's a bioweapon. Family obsession is getting out of hand. She's making everyone kidnap. More and more. Okay. Add to her freak show of a family. Maybe she's getting tired of Mia not coming around. It's a pain in the butt for me because I gotta clean up the mess. Interesting. By the way, Evie's looking sick or something. Her skin is getting all wrinkly and she's getting gray hairs. That's supposed to happen? It's almost like she's getting old all of a sudden. So weird. So weird. All right, let's make some heals. Is there more herb? Because I low-key need more herb. Wait, what was that? Steroids? All right, let's take them. Let's take them. Whatever those do. Oh, I think those increase your max health, right? Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, okay. What is this place? Infection report. What is going on here? 5 minutes after dose vomiting. Oh my gosh. 10 minutes after dose death. 12 minutes after dose calcification. Y'all made some weird super weapon, huh? What? Destroys cells of any subject based on the E-Series bioweapon model. Use only for disposal of E-Series. The toxin must first be stimulated before use. Do this by placing a sample of E-Series cells into the necrotoxin container. This is what's gonna kill her. Whoa. Whoa. I don't have time for this. I don't have time for that. Hopefully that's not important because I skipped it, but we'll find out. Sooner rather than later, right? No. That's probably more backstories. End of the day, Evelyn is a bioweapon created by the United States military. Oh, yay. Yeah, I can get my stuff back. Thank goodness. Strong chem fluid. Do I have any more herb that I can use? No, I don't think so. Should we take the shotgun with us now instead of the burner? I don't know. I have a feeling I'm gonna need it. Yeah, let's... The keys, kind of useless at this point. Same with the crank, I'm feeling. So let's do this. Let's just take what I need. Okay, the shotgun is there. Okay, yep. Nice. Okay. Machine gun ammo. Yeah, I always want more machine gun ammo. Enhanced handgun ammo. No, I'm not too worried about a handgun. I'm not gonna use a handgun. Take the grenade launcher with us, the noob tube. Should I? Do I have any noob tubes? Nah, I don't have any noob tubes. Not worth. Separating agent. No, we don't want a separating agent. All right, I think that's all we need right now. Yeah, let's do that. All right, let's stick with that for now. Flame rounds. Okay, now I want the noob tube. that prompted me just enough to bring the noob tube with me. So let's go ahead and bring it with us. And then you know what? Let's do this. We're running the armada here, all right? We've got the entire United States military worth of assets. We don't need the knife anymore. Keep that. Machine gun ammo. Yep. Oh, all right, cool. We good. Let's run it. Is there anything else in this room? We're saving a checkpoint? Yeah, why not? Let's do that. Let's overwrite that. Sweet. All right, let's keep going. I don't want handgun ammo. I'm not using a handgun. 44 mag ammo. I don't have 44 mag. Okay. Keep her going. Bombs, I'll take. Chem fluid, I'll take. Just in case we need to equip one real quick. I can't be asked. I can't be asked with this humming. Oh my god. I'm making sure everything that I have is reloaded fully. Give me the shotgun. I feel like we're gonna have a close range encounter. Oh. It's a circle! Run! Fight! Fight for your life! I just had to... Sir. Sir! Okay, think, Michael, think. I'm mag dumping these kids. Straight mag dumping. Oh my god, this game sucks. This game sucks, bro. This game sucks. This game sucks. Oh! I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. The first thing comes charging at you, aim for the legs to trip it up. Attacks will make them vomit up acid, so if you go too close, indifferent, deadly acid is crucial vomit deadly. Okay, yeah, I figured. Thank you for the news flash, buddy. Oh, okay, we're chilling. Totally worth it. That one's not dead. No way. Yo, I'm mag dumping these fools, man. Nice. That's a kill. There we go. Very nice, very nice. We're almost out of machine gun ammo though. That's not very nice either. All right, up the stairs, or you know what they are. Up the ladder. Okay. Okay. Squeeze. Go. Okay, I think we're through. Yes. Oh my god, a refill. Mind map? Okay, bet. Alright. Yep, this looks like a great, perfect stopping point. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. That was episode 18. I'll be back for episode 19. We're gonna be coming right back into it. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. It's been your boy Michael, or BeLeeon, and as always, be strong, courageous, BeLeeon. I'll catch you in episode 19, right? Yes, 19. Take care, everyone. Later.